Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marses with your Wednesday morning forecast update, and it is a frosty, kind of icy morning outside as all of us dipping to or below freezing. And of course, we had the rain yesterday, so if you parked your car outside, I can tell you from personal experience this morning, you will have to chip some ice off the windshield. So give yourself a few extra minutes if you did park car or truck outside last night, as we'll have some ice, especially if you do commute before about 7:30 this morning. I think once we get past 7:30, things will start to thaw out a little bit, but you can see the temperatures all the way down to 25 into Queen this morning. Still a few locations south of I-20, including Natchitoches and Manny, above freezing, but the rest of us, including Shreveport, at or below 32 degrees. Winds are very light. Of course, kind of a breezy day yesterday behind the cold front that moved through, and the thing today will be a cool day for us, but we are going to cut off that north wind fairly quickly here in the upcoming days, so that will trigger a bit of a warming trend as the south wind will be back with us tomorrow. Highs today will likely be in the 50s. It's actually going to turn into a pretty comfortable afternoon for us, but with the dry air in place this morning, we're not seeing any issues as far as fog setting up across the region, so really nothing to worry about for the morning commute here, just having to chip a little ice off the car to begin the day. No rain in the forecast for us, as you can see high pressure building in behind yesterday's cold front, which is now being pushed off to the east, so we should pretty much see all day sunshine here, maybe just a few upper level clouds drifting through, but temperatures will warm up pretty quickly once the sun is up. We should make it to about 50 degrees by noon, and most of us today in the low to mid 50s ahead of what will be one more cool night for us before we start that warming trend tomorrow. So here's a look at the forecast high temperatures. Shreveport at 55, normal high is 59, 52 in Texarkana. Your normal high is about 56 degrees, so we're running just a few degrees below normal, but all in all, really not a bad day for us. Here's a look at Futurecast, which continues to show the effect of the dry air, as we'll see nothing but sun out there as we go through the day. May begin to see a few clouds return tonight, so will be kind of a mostly clear night and put partly cloudy conditions in for your Thursday, but your Thursday, another very pleasant day, as we'll see temperatures in the mid-50s, just a few degrees higher than today, and we should be back into the 60s by Friday. So here's a look at the lows again tonight. We'll likely see another round of at or below freezing temperatures, most of us in the low 30s tonight, and then we do start that bit of a warming trend as we continue through the week here, back to about 64 degrees on Friday, so back above normal Friday, and looking at temperatures this weekend in the mid-60s. The one big change on the 7-day forecast here from yesterday, starting to look like we could see a few rain showers across the northern Arklatex on Sunday. It's not going to be a big rainmaker, so if you have outdoor plans, this looks like it will be later in the day Sunday that we could begin to see some rain, especially across northeast Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. Won't be a lot of it ahead of our next cold front, and that next cold front moves through on Monday. So Monday's the day we will see some showers and storms. Way it's looking right now, timing, this could be early in the day. Some of the forecast models have it a little bit later. We'll have to watch that because we will have a setup here to see maybe a few strong thunderstorms on Monday the way it's looking now, especially if the timing is later and that front gets here when the warm air is available. But right now it looks like it moves in early enough that we're not looking at any kind of significant severe weather threat, but this is something we'll continue to watch for you as we go through the upcoming days, and should have the cool temperatures in the 50s back through the middle of next week.